I looked at, but it was something different.
Yeah.
Here.
And sometimes they're like the male and female, and they like run away together.
And they're very territorial, right?
Yeah.
Because they just skate off together.
There's a big one.
Look at the one in the bottom though. He's
तो उसमें जाली आ रही
just
है
eating the one that falls down.
I'm not gonna get near them. They're gonna bite me.
Where did these parrots come from?
What?
I didn't think they like. I never seen them like unless they're like pets or something.
They so cute.
You usually don't see parrots like that.
Yeah, right? Like, what is
I think they're
Let's grab
they've
them.
been recently been found in Queens, and I guess now they're migrating.
Oh.
Because I saw them at my mom's house before.
If the parrots can replace the pigeons, that would be amazing.
Unless they're more violent, then I'll be scared.
Unless they start like repeating things we don't want to hear.
Oh my god.
I don't know if these are the talking ones though.
They are. They can't talk.
They can.
Yeah, I used to have one when I was younger.
These?
Yeah, they can. Yeah, they can say like night, like good night, I love you, or good boy, something like Like one phrase, one word phrase or something like that.
What happened to Pericles?
Oh, but because it's just straight evil. He's a demon.
Monkey parrots.
Yeah.
And green.
Tropical green birds have become firmly entrenched in